from Enthusiastic. Myself, Jaita. I will conduct this event. So I am going to tell you about the rule. I know that you all of you know the rule because you have participated many times. But still, I'm just sharing. I'm just explaining the rule. The rule is like that. That everyone has to sit with the solved cube. You all of you have the solved cube. Show me the solved cube. Sarveshwar, your cube is not solved. And
You solve cube. Okay, I'll solve
RB's
it. No, can
is
you
not
click
solved.
quickly?
Do you have any other cube?
No, I can do it up for her quickly.
Okay, sure. And Sarveshwar, if you can do that, please solve the cube quickly. Okay. And then I will tell you the notations. Notations means the movement of the layers, and according to that, you will move your cube's layer, and so that everyone's cube should look like same before the competition start. Okay, then our competition will start, and I will check the timing and everything. After first round, I will tell everyone's timings and all, and this way we will conduct 3 times. Okay, and we will take the average of these 3 times time, and then that will be your actual time of this competition, the cube solving, and you will get to know about the result in our app, and the leaderboard will be shared in the app also. Okay, end of the session, and we will take maybe a few hours to declare the result. Okay. Okay, so just wait for a few minutes. Sarveshwar is solving the cube, because do you know that why it is so important to start with a solved cube? Because whenever you start any race or any competition, any race, suppose you are in a race, so you will start from the start line and end at the finish line, right? So everyone has to start from the same point, and everyone will end their journey at the same point, right? So because of that, it is so important that everyone's cube should look like same. That will be a fair competition. Otherwise, maybe someone has shuffled the cube and white cross, half of the white cross is solved. So in that way, it is not going to be a you cannot say that there is a fair competition. So if you want to conduct a fair competition, then everyone's cube should be solved, and from there we will start. And second round, when second round will start, everyone's cube will be eventually solved, because first round they have completed and your cube is already solved. So from there we will start. So always whenever you sit for any competition in future, also sit with a solved cube. Very good. Mama also know how to solve. Very good. So Vishnu, all okay? Okay, we can start. Okay. Okay, everyone has to hold the cube so that white color should be on the top and green should be in front of you, like this way, so that you can see the green color in front of you. Okay. Okay. So Visha, No problem. Done.
Okay, a small request from our end to parents to watch it live through other devices as well. It is going live on Facebook. So please do watch it from other devices as well.
Where is the link for that? How to join the
Yeah,
live?
I'm sharing the live link on the Enthu app chat box. Please go with that.
Okay. So everyone is ready with their cube, right? So see it properly so that I can see your cube, that your hand movement and everything. So hold your cube like that. Then do that. This left leg up, upper layer to your left hand side 2 times. Yes, yes. No one do anything. Don't do anything. Only servicer, just only yes. Servicer left layer up, only servicer, huh? And upper layer turn left hand side 2 times. Left hand side 2 times. Okay. Then R prime, that right layer down. F, front layer clockwise 2 times. L prime, left layer up. P prime, P for back layer. B prime, back layer anti-clockwise. Sorry, B layer, B prime is B back layer clockwise. Clockwise 1 time. 1 time, Adya. Okay. Then right layer R, right layer up. Down layer to your right hand side. D, 2 times. 1, 2. Okay. Yes, very good. The front layer anti-clockwise F prime 2 times. Okay. Upper layer to your left hand side 2 times. Upper layer to your left hand side 2 times. 1, 2. Yeah. Left layer down 2 times. That is L. 1, 2. Left layer. Yes, very good. Okay, okay, okay. Now B for back layer clockwise. That is B prime again. B. Service B prime. Back layer B prime. Yes, clockwise. Clockwise. Very good. Do that. Do that. Yes, perfect. Okay. Upper layer to your right hand side. 2 times. 1, 2. Okay. Stop. Who can see that green layer, green line like this? Okay. Very good. Very good. That's it. Good. Okay. Nice. Yes, service are also the same. Okay.
I can't see it.
It's okay.
Yes.
I can't see it. It's not there.
No problem. No problem. Must be you have done something little mistake, so that is there. Not a problem. Three of you have. Adya, what is your cube? Show me your cube.
It look like this.
What you can see. Okay. So, Shaki. So Shrikar, Achut, and Sharveshwar. Okay, done. Three of you can see this. Oh, okay. Akira also. Very nice. Okay, no problem. So this is how always it should be. Okay, whatever the notations will be given to you, if you follow the notation properly, then everyone's cube will look like same. See, four of yours cube are same. Okay, no problem. Now I am giving you 15 seconds so that you can observe your cube. Do not turn any layer. If you turn any layer, you will be disqualified. So do not turn any layer. and check your cube from where you will start, okay? And the moment I will say start, you will start solving, and once you finish, you have to say loudly. So keep yourself unmute. Do not keep yourself mute. Keep yourself unmute. So once you finish your solve cube, just loudly say done. Okay, and then I will, yes.
My cube is not.
Okay. Okay. Now start. 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 I have started the stopwatch.
Like solving you.
Start solving. Who? Aryan. No, no. Yes. I have. Stop.
Done. Done.
Sakura done. Shrikar done. Aryan done. And then who else? Are we slow? Are we slow? No problem.
Done.
Okay. Okay. Slowly. Slowly. Focus on solving. You need to solve. That's it. Yeah.
Done. Done.
Yes.
Akira's also done.
Yes. I have noted.
Done.
Okay.
Finish. Done. Done.
Very good.
Done. Done.
Okay. Okay. So let me tell you the name and the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Aryan, you have completed in 33.16 seconds.
What?
33.16 seconds. Shrikar, you have finished in 49.57. After that, Achut has done it 1 minute 37.90 seconds. After that, Adya 1 minute 56.61.
आवाज कम कर सकते हो?
Then, एक minute. Okay. Now, Akira, you have finished in 2 minutes 10.88 seconds. Then, Sarveshwar, you have finished in 3 minutes 40.93. And RV, you also 3 minutes 44.27. Okay, done. Everyone's cube have already solved, right? Shuffle your cube. Just keep it like that only, huh? Very. We will do the same. So 3 times it will be, and then we will take the average. So my cube is shuffled, so don't get confused. Okay, hold the cube so that white should be on the top and green in front of you. Perfect. And this time I need everyone's cube should look like same, okay? Okay, so left layer down. Okay, notation I am not saying, so don't get confused. Akira, your camera is just okay. Now it's fine. Do that. Left layer down, Akira. Show me your cube. Now do that. Left layer down. Hold the cube, white on the top, green in front of you. Left layer down. Nobody will do that. Only Akira, because he didn't do. She didn't do that. Left layer down. Okay. Hold the cube now. Now upper layer to your left hand side 2 times. That is you. Okay. Now D 2 times. Down layer to your right hand side 2 times.
Left hand side.
Front layer F clockwise 2 times.
Like this?
Who?
Like this?
Yes.
Up.
Yes. Clockwise. Okay. Then right layer up 1 time. R. F prime front layer anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay.
This? Like this?
Yes. No. Hold your, that is front layer. Hold your cube properly. Front layer means green centerpiece. So anti-clockwise towards your left hand side.
Like my front layer, like this one?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. So and now R prime 2 times. 1, 2. R prime means right layer down 2 times. Okay.
We have
Then upper layer.
Okay,
Upper layer.
upper layer.
Upper layer to your right hand side 2 times. U
Right
prime.
hand side, upper layer.
Very good. Okay. Then back layer, back side, blue centerpiece. Where is your blue centerpiece? Back side, no? So clockwise 2 times. That is B prime. B prime. Clockwise 2 times.
2 times. Okay.
Done. Very good. Okay. Then left layer up 2 times. L prime. 1, 2.
1, 2.
Okay. Okay, now I want to see everyone's cube. Let me see. Okay, Shrikar and Aryan. Okay, Ariva. This time everyone did perfectly. Achu, you did some mistake. Okay, now backside, backside. Yes, perfect. Very good. Okay, now you can see that everyone's cube looks like same, right? Everyone will start from the same position. So now again, same 15 seconds. Just observe the cube. Why you should observe the cube? Because you are not allowed to turn any layer. So you need to hold the cube. You can hold the cube. White centerpiece on the top. Someone start from white centerpiece on the top. Someone white centerpiece at the bottom. So just holding position, set your holding position and check from where you can start. So this thing you can utilize these 15 seconds quickly. Okay.
Break it
Do
out.
not turn any layer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the lines again because my call.
No problem. Just lift your cube. I can see your cube.
Ma'am, I'm just solving it.
Okay, no. Everyone has done that. Just keep your cube like that only. Okay. Cube. Show me the cube. No one. Oh. Then next round you will do. Okay. Okay. So now start solving. Okay. Start. I have started.
Finish. Done.
27.86. Very nice.
Done.
I have seen that.
Done.
Your 47.03.
That's fine.
I'm done.
Okay, sure. 1 minute 26.08 seconds.
Come on.
1 minute 26.08 seconds.
Done.
Yes, I have seen that. Noted. 2 minutes 06.25 seconds. चलो चलो तो बालकनी पे चले আসো
Finish. Done.
2 minutes 35.85 seconds. Are you sure? Very good. Do that. No problem.
Done.
Very good. 3 minutes 07 seconds only. Very nice.
3 minutes and 7 seconds.
So I'm repeating the name and the time, huh? So first, Aryan, 27.86 seconds. Then Trigger, 47.03. Then Achut, 1 minute 26.08. Then Akira, 2 minute 06.25. Then Sarveshwar, minute 35.85. And Arvi, 3 minutes 07.32 seconds. Okay, very good. So everyone has improved this time. You should practice more at home because after first round everyone's time was good. So at home also you can practice well. The more you practice, now timing will be good. Okay, now this time Adya cube is solved, na? So the last round, okay, third round. Hold the cube the same way. White on the top, green in front of you. Okay. So, I am holding properly. Left layer up 2 times, L prime. Upper layer 2 times to your right hand side. Sorry, left hand side. Okay.
Yes.
Left side. 2 times. Very good. Okay. Okay. Then front layer clockwise. Green center. This front layer clockwise 2 times. 1, 2. Upper layer to your right hand side 1 time. Down layer to your right hand side 2 times. 1, 2. Okay. Then back layer, back layer clockwise 1 time. Done, Arvi? Okay. Right layer up 2 times. R. F, front layer anti-clockwise. F prime 2 times. F prime. No, Arvi, anti-clockwise to your mama side. Yes.
2 times.
2 times. Now 2 times. Now 2 times.
Like
Is
And
it
very
like
good.
this side? This side?
No. To your other side. To the other side. Yeah. 2 times. Perfect. Okay. Now right layer down. R prime 2 times. Okay. Then down layer to your left hand side 2 times. 1, 2. For 3 by 3, these kind of notations always, I am giving 10 notations to shuffle your cube, but usually in other platform also, sometimes they may give 10, they may give 20. If you go for WCA, World Cube Association, when they conduct, they give 20. Okay. So front layer clockwise 2 times. Done. Now show me your cube.
Mine is like this. Mine is like this.
I just show me the blue centerpiece side.
Blue centerpiece.
Easy for everyone. Just hold the cube like that only. Perfect. Okay. Everyone's are same. Yeah, same. Aryan's little different, and Harvey also little different, but okay, perfect. Okay. Now 15 seconds. Observe your cube instead.
Criss-cross करके ना तुम्हारे लिए easy पड़ेगा.
Yes.
15 seconds. Timer starts for live. Will you start? Don't start now.
Shrikar, keep yourself unmute. Akira, unmute yourself. Achu, unmute. Because once you finish now, if you say, then I will not be able to hear you. Okay. Are they done now? Okay. So now start. Start solving. I have started the stopwatch. Okay.
Sure.
Who is this?
Done, 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 done.
Okay. No problem, Aryan. I have seen that. Don't worry. So Aryan's time was 31.64 and Shrika's time is 35.74. Adya done?
Done, ma'am.
Adya done?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am,
ma'am.
done, done.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, okay.
Done. Done. Done.
1 minute 46.10 for Sarveshwar and Akira 1 minute 47.68. Are we do that? What happened? I can't see your cube. Keep yourself mute. Sarveshwar. So everyone's time and let us finish. Yeah, almost done. Very nice. Arvi. Slowly, slowly, no problem, no problem. Slowly, do that. Done? Very good. See? Very nice. 7 minutes, 15.48. Very good. Okay, so I'm just repeating the time for this third round. Aryan 31.64, Shrikar 35.74, Akira 1 minute 47.68 seconds, RV 7 minutes 15.48 seconds, Achut 1 minute 19.23 seconds, and Sarveshwar 1 minute 46.10, and Adia 1 minute 18.20. Okay. Okay, so we will calculate everything. So three times we have done, and we will take the average, and that will be the final result. And we will declare this result by today. And the leaderboard you can see in the app. Everyone, I am sure that all of you have downloaded the app, right?
Yeah.
So if you have the app over there, so you can check that all the leaderboard and who is a winner and everything you can check over there. Okay, and if you have anything any doubt or anything, you can let me know. So
Excuse me, ma'am. Mine was only done 2 times.
sorry.
Ma'am, I only did it 2 times. So
Yeah,
third
you did
time.
it 2 times, right? Okay, average we will take. Okay, so one will be DND will be there, so did not finish, so it will be like that. Okay,
Okay, everyone.
thank you
I have
everyone.
pasted, just a second. I have pasted a review link in the chat box. Please go through the link, and I hope everyone enjoyed the tournament, and please leave a review for us.
Bye
Yeah.
then.
And I'm pasting the app downloading link also over the chat box. So please go through the link and download the app. Those who have not downloaded the app yet. Okay, I hope everyone got the links over the chat box. So I'm hoping for the best reviews from all of you. Yes, Ram, are you going to give us a review? Amma will give me.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye. We will see you in the next tournament. Okay.
Okay, and one more thing is there. We are having our international chess league in the next week. So I'm sending the links for the international chess league as well in the WhatsApp communities. So those who are interested, they can join that international chess league. The qualifiers round is going to happen on 16th and 17th of May. So just check out the details, and those who want to join that international chess league, they can join through the link and register themselves. If anybody wants anything else, like any extra information or any doubts, you can connect over with any of the team member from the WhatsApp communities.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Achu.
Bye.
Bye, Pravisha. Bye, Aryan. Bye. Bye. Bye, Aryan.